Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today, I would like to give you my reaction to StealthGPT AppSumo Deal. So in this video, I will introduce you the tool and what it can do, but I will not do a detailed review. And I will share my opinion in general. Will it be a good tool or a pass? So nowadays, everyone uses AI-generated content in one way or another, and there are a lot of AI detection tools. And if you're in need for a tool that can bypass several of those tools with some success rate, which is not predefined, then you can check StealthGPT. I looked through all questions and answers for this tool and also through reviews. So how can you use this tool? First of all, you can generate content like with any other AI writer. And as well, you can get other content generated in some other places and rewrite it with StealthGPT. And then you may have a chances to bypass AI detection. Regarding license tier structure, you're getting several options which will differ by the number of words. For example, license tier 1 will give you 125,000 words monthly, and tier 3 will give you 1.5 million words. That's a lot. And looks like they call their fine-tuned model Standard Stealth Engine and Samurai Stealth Engine, and looks like those are included in AppSumo Deal. And just in general, few comments about AI detection tools. If you would like to get undetected by some tools, that's fine. Though this year, Google released helpful content system update where they emphasize that the content needs to be, first of all, useful. And even unuseful content may rank, and they are not telling anything about AI generating content or any penalization for AI-generated content. But again, if you would like to get undetected by some tools, like these ones mentioned on their website, like GPT-0 or Originality AI, then you may try this tool. However, there are some things that I don't like about StealthGPT. They do not provide any kind of trial. And I don't know why, because it is very easy to give you, 1,000 words to try the tool so you can see how it works. With AppSumo Deal, you're getting your 60-day money-back guarantee. However, I don't want to just buy the tool for the sake of testing and then refund it. So again, it is not very clear why they are not providing any kind of trial. And regular pricing seems a bit confusing to me. For example, you can see you need to pay extra to get access to Stealth Samurai Engine, but in AppSumo Deal it is included. So with usual deal, you get bypassing some of the AI detectors, and then you need to pay extra to bypass few more AI detectors. That seems not very straightforward for me. Okay, so now let me highlight few important questions and answers which may help you decide if you need this tool or not. And first of all, this tool, StealthGPT, supports and works best only for English. If you would like to get content in any other language optimized besides English, then this tool is not for you. And again, just to reiterate, there was a question, is there any kind of trial? And the reply was, no, we are a proven product and we do not give any trial. However, you can see they're still in beta. Not sure how you can be a proven product and be in beta still. One more interesting question about what is actually Stealth Samurai Engine, which is included in the deal. And the reply is that it is slightly more refined version. I'm not sure why would you use any inferior engine. So I would use this Stealth Samurai engine right away because it is included in the deal. What else is important in this deal? Please pay attention to these Infinity Engine words. It is some kind of nice branding. However, what it means, we can see from this question, how do infinity words actually work? And actually it is just the words that you can insert in your prompt. So if you would like to use this tool for rewriting your content, then please pay attention. For example, if you're getting license tier 2, you can input only 1,250 words at a time. Another important thing that plagiarism detector is not included, and they do not share the public roadmap, so we can't tell when it will be implemented. One other important thing worth mentioning: if your use case is to write books and publish those on Amazon, you will not be able to bypass Amazon's AI detection because StealthGPT is not targeting Amazon AI detector. And also please pay attention that API capabilities, for example, to automate some workflows with tools like Zapier, is not included in the deal, as you can see. And for API access, you will need to pay extra. And regarding reviews, it has about 4 tacos out of 5. Some people loved the tool, for some it didn't work. So if you are in need of this tool, I believe you will need to try yourself if it works fine for your particular use case. Again, you have 60-day money-back guarantee with AppSumo Deal. All right. So I think that's it with quick overview of StealthGPT. I hope I've answered all of your questions that you could have about this tool. And again, to reiterate, if you target to bypass AI detection by these specific tools that you can see right now on the screen, then this tool might be a good choice for you. So please check the link to this tool in the description. As usual, please give this video a like if you find this content useful, and subscribe for more similar content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.